Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your smartwatch to Facebook. First, ensure your smartwatch and smartphone are fully charged, ideally at 100%. Next, confirm that both devices have their operating systems updated to the very latest versions available for optimal performance. You will also need the Facebook application installed on your smartphone, alongside its specific companion app for your smartwatch. Having these essential preparations ready ensures a smooth and trouble-free connection process for you today. Begin by enabling Bluetooth on both your smartphone and your smartwatch. This is crucial for device communication. Make sure your smartwatch's dedicated companion application is open and actively running in the background on your phone. Simultaneously, ensure you are logged into your personal Facebook account within the Facebook application on your smartphone. These steps set the foundation for your devices to successfully recognize and communicate with each other, preparing for the next stage. Now open your smartwatch's official companion application on your smartphone. Within this application, navigate to a section typically labeled Connected Apps, Integrations, or Third-Party Services. Once you find this menu, look for and select Facebook from the list of available applications or services to connect. This action initiates the specific linking process, allowing your watch to begin communication with your social media platform through the designated app interface. Upon selecting Facebook, your smartphone will display a prompt asking for authorization to connect your smartwatch application with your Facebook account. Take a moment to carefully review all the specific permissions the smartwatch application requests for Facebook access, such as displaying notifications or calendar events. After reviewing, confirm these permissions to finalize the secure connection. Granting the necessary access ensures your smartwatch can properly interact with Facebook's features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.